Please raise your left hand and repeat what I said. I
Jevin Ramos,
solemnly pledge
solemnly pledge
to speak the truth,
to speak the truth,
the whole truth,
whole truth,
and nothing but the truth,
nothing but the truth,
in accordance with the law,
in accordance with the law,
and to respect
and to respect
and applaud
and applaud
the integrity
the integrity
of these
these
proceedings.
proceedings.
I
I
understand
understand
that my testimony
that testimony
is given
is given
under oath,
under oath,
and that providing
and providing
false
false
statements
statements
can result
can result
in legal consequences,
in legal consequences,
including penalties
including penalties
for
for
perjury.